What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I am in my car right now, so that's why I'm recording this with my phone, but I have a lot to talk about today. I want to go over technical analysis for Bitcoin in a smaller time frame, but we want to review and look at how similar some of the charts are and how we can actually look at those. And by looking at those, you can actually see how it is possible that we still crash Bitcoin brutally down to $12,000. Okay, a lot of people doubt that much lower. I get a lot of comments like that, but it's okay. A lot of people won't believe it until it happens. Okay, I'm not gonna guarantee that price, but I'm gonna let you know that why I think we're gonna go to $12,000 with different reasons. I've been telling you guys with every time I come to you guys with a different type of indicator to show you that there is a high chance of crashing down to even $12,000. But today we want to review a couple of charts that has happened before in bigger time frames that we can look at, smaller time frames that we can look at those and see how similar they can actually repeat themselves. All right, so I want you guys to look at here. We're going to zoom in around this area. Okay, imagine that. Look at this part and compare it to the whole thing. Okay, compare it to the whole thing. Okay, look, do you guys see any similarity? Any similarities? Okay, the only difference I would say is this part is longer than, is being higher than this part. I don't know if you can't see it. I really want you to pause and focus and see. You see these head and shoulder patterns, right? Let me see if I can. There you go. Okay, you see these, right? Now I want you guys to zoom in and consider this. Okay, so this is another head and shoulder, and that's a bigger head and shoulders, right? Now we're gonna zoom in to this in daily. Okay, let's go to where actually we had a rally, a smaller rally up. Okay, my phone actually showed this way too wide, but it's okay. I think you guys can see what I'm about to say. I'm gonna make it rectangular, and you guys want to see that where I'm gonna talk about. Okay, this area. Okay, I'm not gonna bother talking about like $69,000. Just I'm looking at the lower parts. Okay, lower part of the chart. All right, so okay, if we consider that this part was a shoulder and this one was the head and this was another shoulder, right? Does it make sense? Do you see it? All right, I think you can see it. So this one, look at this one though. This was a failure rally up, which fooled a lot of people. A lot of people thought that, yep, we're going to make another high with Bitcoin. So they got into long positions as I'm going to zoom out, as it looks exactly like here. Not exactly, it's very similar. If you don't want to see it, it's fine. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a lot of comments. They're going to come and laugh, but it's okay. Okay, if you don't want to see it, don't see it. That's fine. All right, so let's go back to daily. Now, and this crash I've been talking to you about. Actually, let me update you with the smaller time frames here first. Okay, I was talking about exactly is forming another head and shoulders here. Okay, head and shoulders. So and I said this part is very hard to break. This area right here, and as you guys can see, I told you guys there might be a curve shaping up like this, which is doing it right now. Okay, almost every single thing I'm saying is happening. Okay, I'm not really trying to give myself a credit, because everybody make mistakes. Okay, I make mistakes too, but so far I've been right. Okay, you guys can go watch my previous videos if you want to approve, if you are new to the channel. Okay, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, thank you. So I wanna warn you guys. It's still about we have more downside and that downside to come, okay, in the shorter term. Because as you guys, if you guys remember, I watched my previous video, I want you to look at all these green candles, okay? So all these green candles, whenever I said most of these candles are the same color, and if there is another only one candle with a different color, that becomes resistance, a good resistance or support, okay? Not 100%, but a lot of times, okay? But you guys do not see anything in here, right? So the price went too high way too quick, all right? So I am still bearish short term because we might actually go down to this level, which would be, I'm not sure what would be the price exactly, but I'm assuming it might be, I don't know, $38,000, $39,000. All right, because the only good support that we have will be around this area after we actually broke above, right here. I'm gonna show it like this. All right, the highest part is a good support, okay? But a lot of people, a lot of times, bigger whales drop the price and go even further. But we still have a chance of getting support around there. Whoops. Getting support around here, okay? And then start going back up and try to hit 45K level one more time. There is a chance. Okay, but as I said, when we have this big of a drop, maybe we can try, maximum of $45,000 again. And also, I forgot to mention this actually. So I want you guys to zoom in here and here. Okay, you guys can see that how beautifully last time Bitcoin came and hit this level and crashed. I want you to get help from this line to look at how Bitcoin is started going up, and once it hit this area and it couldn't pass, started crashing. Can you guys see that? Okay, now we can see it around here too. So there is another resistance, the same resistance here. As we have reached here, Bitcoin is having difficulty. Okay, and once this can easily happen, guys. I know a lot of people like to doubt it, but this can happen. I don't know how sure some people are. I'm not giving you exact price, but my first target, to me, none of these are financial advices, and I'm not giving you any sell or buy signals in any of my videos. But this is my prediction for now. $12,000 is my main target. Why? And if you're asking why, it comes from the same idea as I've been telling you guys. This box right here. Look at the lower one. Oops, I messed up. Let me make a line actually. Around this area, guys. I actually made other videos. Go check those out. I with the title of crashing down to 12,000, something like that. Go check that out. This is my main target because price actually passed this area. Too many lines. Past this area, almost 20K, and went and started rallying up from 15K. Where the heck do you guys see a good support from 15K? These are all green candles too. Where do you guys actually see any good support around here? Price of Bitcoin has started coming back from this part right here. Is it logical to you that Bitcoin gets support from somewhere that it did not even stop? It did not even bother passing through, right? It should have stopped around here, okay, which is right here. It should have stopped, which it didn't. It went even lower, and it started going back up. All right, so I want you guys to consider all of these. These charts are very good indicators for you guys. If you want to ignore it, go ahead. It's your money. Whatever you want to do, it's not going to bother me, okay? But this is me telling you that this could still play out, okay? We still have 4 or 5 months to halving. Go back to the last halving. go to the 2012's halving, 16's halving, look at those. I made a video which got the most views out of all of my videos, over 6,000 views. Okay, go look at those with the title of Bitcoin crashes before halving every time. Go watch that. And if it doesn't make sense, I don't know what will. Okay, so this is my update, and this is other views that I want you guys to look at. Price actions, and look at previous events, look at previous halvings, previous charts, and see how similar those charts could play out, or all of them. Okay, so not a financial advice, as I said. Like and subscribe, share this video with your friends. I will come back with another video. Peace and take care.